Let me tell you something that most home sellers they don't realize until it's too late. Buyers decide how they feel about your home in the very first few minutes they walk in, and that first impression directly affects your final price. So if you're thinking about selling, let's make sure your home creates confidence, not hesitation. Hey there, I'm Bret Johnson, associate broker with Realty Network Group at Real Broker, and I specialize in making real estate really easy. So I recently worked with a homeowner who had thought they were ready. The house was clean, freshly painted, and they were excited to hit the market. But when buyers walked through, they noticed small maintenance issues and kind of a subtle clutter that just ultimately those buyers opted to make offers on other homes. Now, we didn't lose because we had a bad home. We lost because leverage. We lost because the first impression didn't match the price. That experience reinforced something I believe strongly. Preparation protects your equity. So let's walk through the 5 simple steps that position your home to stand out, sell faster, and attract stronger offers. The first is you need to step up and clean and declutter your home. This is your foundation. Buyers aren't just evaluating square footage, they are imagining their life there. Clear your countertops, remove excess furniture, take down personal photos, and deep clean those baseboards. Think about it like detailing a car before selling it. You're not changing the car, you're just maximizing how it shows. Now the next step is you want to make your home move-in ready. And do this by repairing the small issues. So things like touch-up paint, maybe servicing key systems, fix that leaky faucet, loose door handles. These seem minor, but they certainly can signal a deferred maintenance. And it's these small items that ultimately create big doubts in buyers' minds. Now, don't forget to step outside as well. Curb appeal is what sets the tone before buyers even walk in. So clean those walkways, trim up your landscaping, maybe refresh the door paint. It can elevate the perception. So if you want clarity and control, a pre-inspection can also help eliminate some of the surprises that we might find later and help with negotiations. Now, another step is to stage with intention. Staging isn't about decorating, it's about positioning. Rearrange your furniture to create flow. Remove those bigger pieces, brighten the dark colors, and get natural light. The goal isn't to show how you live there. The goal is to help buyers see themselves living there personally. Now, the next step is you need to price it strategically. Once your home looks the best, pricing becomes the lever that drives momentum. If you price too high, buyers hesitate. Price too low, and you sacrifice your equity. The right price attracts activity, and activity is what creates your leverage for negotiations. So this is where market data, comparable sales, and timing matter. When preparation and pricing align, you create competition, and that's where strong offers will happen. Now, the last step, and I think this one gets overlooked quite a bit, is to partner with the right agent. Selling a home is a strategy. It's a negotiation. There's marketing and there's timing that all have to work together. The right agent helps you focus on updates that actually move the needle, that'll position your home correctly from day one. And it'll also help you manage feedback, but most importantly, they're going to protect your bottom line. When your home is prepared well, priced strategically, and then you're guided by strong advocacy, you're going to stay in control of that outcome. So preparing your home doesn't have to feel overwhelming. If you come in with a strong structured plan, you'll be in control. If you're thinking about selling your home, let's talk about what improvements might make sense for you, and let's create a simple strategy that will protect your equity, position your home correctly from the start. Thanks for watching.